seeking transfer, my lord, from Bangalore to Kadapa. There are two petitions.
It's a custody petition, child custody
My
petition.
lords.
Lordship, I'm objecting to the transfer. My
Service
lords.
is
I'm appearing
completed.
for the respondent.
Yes. On what ground are you objecting?
My lords, it is violating Section 9 of Guardians and Wards Act, my lords. Section 9 clearly specifically
Of
says
intermarriage.
it's
There are two petitions, my lords. One is seeking to restitution of conjugal rights. The second one is guardian under the Guardians and Wards Act.
Which he has filed for
My
custody.
lords.
yes, my lords, and the child resides with me. So the child cannot be imposed hardships, my lords. It would be very difficult for the child to roam here and there.
What do you do in Kadapa?
Kadapa, she is not working, my lords. She is residing with the parents.
Be willing to go to mediation. How long have you been
Mediation
My
has
lords,
failed, my lords.
mediation is failed, my lords.
unsuccessful?
My lords.
The jurisdiction clause doesn't affect the transfer proceeding because transfer is in pursuance of our inherent power to transfer. Even if jurisdiction is validly before the court at Bangalore, we can always transfer from Bangalore to Kadapa. But
Lordship,
the child is staying with the
yes, my
father.
lords. Ordinary resides.
How old is the child? 4 years old.
Mediation can
Lordship,
be held before the
is
family
around
court
8
also.
years.
No, I think 17th
think
of
so.
August 20 the child was born, right?
Yes, my sorry, my lords.
About 4 years old.
4 years old. Lordship, Section 25 is general law, my lords, and Section 9 is a special law, and special law will supersede any day.
Will you be able to appear through video conferencing mode? Because
Yes, my lords.
so we'll not transfer, but we'll give you opportunity leave to appear through video conferencing. Two is we'll transfer the restitution of conjugal rights petition.
Very well, my lords.
On the guardianship, because a child is with the father, that we will not transfer, but we'll say whenever you are required to be present in Bangalore, we will give you litigation expenses. Can you quantify it here?
Lordship, I'm not sure about that.
We pass an order. What is your client doing?
Lordship is an IT employee
Working where?
in some
Bangalore itself.
software company, my lords, in
In
Bangalore.
Bangalore, my lords.
In Mangalore or Bangalore?
Bangalore.
Bangalore, my lords.
So should we tell him to pay you 10,000 rupees every time you have to go to Bangalore for attending the court proceeding? And we'll also give you permission to appear through video conferencing. But for guardianship, you may have to interact with the court, may have to interact with the child once or twice. So
Very well, my lords.
we will allow the restitution petition. On the guardianship, we will say that the court is apprised of the fact that the transfer petition is for the transfer of the custody proceedings under the Guardian and Wards Act from the family court at Bangalore to the family court at Kadapa. The child, who was born on 17 August 2020, resides with the respondent, her mother, father. This view of the matter, it may not be appropriate, having regard to the best interest of the welfare of the child, to transfer the proceedings as sought from Bangalore to Kadapa. However, we direct that on every occasion that the petitioner is required to be present for the court proceedings at Bangalore, at the family court Bangalore, the respondent shall pay to the petitioner a lump sum of ₹1,000 per hearing. The petitioner would also be at liberty, subject to the permission of the family court Bangalore, to appear through video conference.
Last may grant me liberty to file application seeking visitation rights, my lords.
Why do you require liberty? That liberty you always have.
Last may kindly observe.
Sorry, you can always file it. We are not
Very well.
preventing you. Yeah.
Grateful, Your Lordship.